Dryer Days Art Studio. I'm Catherine. Thank you so much for being here. Well, today in this video, I am going to be trying out some Arteza tempera paints with my kids. I'm bringing in my 6 and my 4-year-old who did these pours right here. Just beautiful. I am so impressed. I cannot believe that my little ones got these results. I feel like they are better than me at this point at pouring, and this was their first go. But I was able to do this with my kids using the Arteza tempera paints because they are totally non-toxic, and I was able to use non-toxic school glue. And I'd really like to show you guys how we accomplished this in our own home because the girls just loved it. So first of all, we used these Arteza Kids tempera paints, the 32 count, and this does run about $39.99 online, but if you want to check out my description below, I will have a discount code. I am affiliated with Arteza Paints, and so if you buy through me, use my coupon codes, I do get credit for that, so thank you. So many gorgeous, gorgeous colors. In this 32 count set, there are 8 vibrant colors, 7 metallic colors, 6 neon colors, 5 glitter colors, 4 laser glitter colors, the girls really love those, and 2 glow-in-the-dark colors. And these paints are specially formulated to be washable from hands, and most can be machine washed out of clothing. Some stains may need additional laundering, but I found that we did get a little bit of this, even a drip on the carpet, and it came right out with some water, so that was awesome. And I am going to be using some of the Arteza canvases today, these 12 by 12. These were packaged really well. Each of the canvases were individually wrapped, which made me very happy. And each canvas came with a little baggie of wedge sticks, you might see right there. And wedge sticks can be inserted before or after your painting and can just add a little bit of extra tightness to your canvas, which is really nice. I had never personally used them before, but the fact that they throw those in, I think, is really spectacular. This was an 8 count of the 12 by 12 canvases. They are 3 times gesso primed, so you're ready to rock and roll right out of the bag. These are on sale right now at arteza.com, but again, you can use my discount code, which is down in the description. And now let's get to the painting portion. You getting ready to paint?
Yeah.
Gonna use all these beautiful Arteza tempera paints.
Okay.
You guys like to draw out what you want to do first, and then we'll paint? Okay, sounds good. Let's do it. You want to say hi, Kate?
Hi.
Say hi, Bryn.
Hi.
And today we have a really fun video because we are going to be using these tempera paints from Arteza. We're so excited. They're gorgeous. We just got them. The girls can't wait. We're also going to be using the Arteza gallery wrapped canvases, the 12 by 12s. So we're going to start off here with, the girls are going to test these paints out. The nice thing about the tempera paints is they're kind of geared more towards kids. They're non-toxic, they're washable. So if they get on your hands, just a little soapy water will get them off, and they will machine wash out of most clothes. So very, very kid friendly. So we're going to start off here where we're just kind of testing out the paints, right, girls? And then the girls are so excited because we're going to do a pour with these paints.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. So the girls have been watching me pour forever, and one thing that always kind of bummed me out was I didn't feel like I could include them because, you know, we're using so many different paints and mediums and stuff, but there is a non-toxic way of doing the acrylic pouring. Not that acrylic pouring is toxic so much, but you know, this way it's really, really kid-friendly and washable, and so we will do that in the second part of this video. These are some really pretty colors, huh, girls?
Yeah. Mommy, I want to make my rainbow.
Okay. You need some rainbow colors then?
Yeah.
Okay. You have a really pretty purple already, and you have red.
Yep.
If you want to check out any of these products, I am an affiliate with Arteza. The links are all down below in the description.
Mommy, I really like your paintings that you paint.
Thank you so much.
Give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, give this video a thumbs up, right, Kate?
Yeah.
And subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to show a couple different techniques with the tempera paint. So I'm going to show just a dry brush with the red. So my brush has no water on it at all.
Golden pink, my favorite. Well, I think I did too much, a little. That's okay.
And the tempera paints are usually more quick drying. Did you guys say they're drying pretty quick?
Yeah, right now. And my paint is dried up, so I'm going to add some more. How do you know when it dries up and when it doesn't, Kate? Because I just know.
Ooh, this neon orange.
Are you making a rainbow, Mommy?
I don't know, I might. Let's see how this goes here. Kind of blending it in.
So in between,
that's kind of a little fat, so I'm going to spread it around
make
a
my
little.
cake, and then
Kind of a little fat there, so I'm going to spread that paint around a little.
And you can do a lowercase a or big A or
Definitely has a different consistency than acrylic paints.
Yeah, which is positive, kind of. A
Positive.
Little. Yeah.
Now on this side I'm going to do a wet brush. Oops, sorry, I know it's probably shaking the camera.
And I'm going to do a wet brush.
You're going to do wet brush too?
Yeah, no. Are we almost done painting or what?
I think we're going to do an acrylic pour next.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
I told the girls they could pick out 3 colors, so which colors are you going to pick? Boxes, we do a lot of shopping at Amazon, and I just cut it out here. After getting the cardboard all set up, I have these 4 by 6 inch boards that I cut and are primed, and I have them elevated on the good old painter's pyramids that I love to use. The girls picked out 3 colors, and I mixed them equal parts with Elmer's school glue, which is non-toxic and washable, and I mixed up white separately.
Yeah.
And we're going to start with the white first, okay?
Yeah.
So I'll pour in the white.
Yeah, we're going to add in the white.
I'll leave a little bit for later.
Yeah. Okay. Hey! Brenna's my big sister, and she's older than me. Pink.
Okay, pour it in. Let me take your stick. I got it.
Yeah. King. So satisfying. So satisfying.
All right, well, why don't you put it down and pour it in so everyone can see what you're doing?
We're going to send this to you.
Who? The viewer?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me take that blue stick. All right.
Legs. And it's so satisfying. So satisfying.
Now I should add that I did just 2 drops of silicone in one of their cups. I did it in the yellow for Kate, and I did it in the darker blue for Bryn. Okay.
And then now we're gonna flip it over.
Now we're gonna flip it.
Yeah, let me.
Okay, I'm gonna help you, okay?
Shine is
1, 2, 3. Flip it.
Flip it, and now wait.
We're gonna wait a second.
We're gonna wait
I'll
for
help you.
1 minute, right? We're gonna wait for 1 minute for it to get on there. Then we're gonna
1, 2, 3.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
Now what's nice about these boards that I have here is they're totally flat on the back too, so you can just flip them over. You don't have to find the corners or anything.
Hey, mine! It's dripping out.
It is?
Yeah.
I think it's just about ready.
Yours is prettier than mine.
Oh, just wait. Are you ready, Kate?
Yeah.
Pull it! Pull it off. Oh my
Yours looks like a
gosh.
rainbow.
Wow.
That's like a rainbow, Kate. It looks like a magical rainbow. And mine's gonna look like the beach, ocean. Right, Mommy?
Yeah.
Let me, okay, let me. It's my turn.
I think we can set it down. Oh, look how pretty.
On my side.
Oh, so pretty. I'm glad you did that. Okay, let's put it down. Wow.
Plus my hair is not a rainbow.
All right, now
Paper
can
towel. Yep, you can do yours now. Wow. Okay.
It looks like the whole beach.
Wow, Brett. Can you? Yeah.
Oops,
It's
dripping
okay.
too much.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll help.
I don't know if I have enough of that corner. It's dripping too much. Mine looks like the beach, right?
Yeah.
Didn't turn out like
Those-
I
those cells look really
expected,
cool.
But it's okay.
Not how you expected, but okay.
Yeah. Kate's more prettier.
Oh.
And I do another one. I want another one.
You want to do another one?
Yeah, I would say good luck for Brit.
Well, here, how about this, guys? Let's take a break for now because we've been doing a lot of painting this morning.
And these look like
No, it's still
islands.
more painting.
These look like islands.
See you back.
Yeah.
Corner there. These look like beautiful waves.
They do look like, I can't believe how gorgeous these look. Wow, and that is pouring with the tempera paints and just school glue, a little bit of tap water, and a little bit of silicone. Beautiful, guys.
Yeah, they
All right, do we want to tell the viewers bye for now? Thanks for watching.
Bye for now. See you next time.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the video description for where you can get all these beautiful Arteza products. Keep on pouring.
Become pouring.
My girls love to watercolor as well, so I got a set of these 2 hardcover watercolor books. They're durable, hardbound. The sheets rip out, they're perforated. The paper is acid-free paper. It's high quality, cold pressed, and it's perfect archival surface for any kind of medium that you want to use, actually, because they're so durable. Everybody's working?
Yeah. Guess what I'm making?
What?
A butterfly.
Oh, wow. And Bryn, you've got your butterfly?
Yeah. It was hot down a couple
I
days
made a
ago.
tree that. I'm gonna make my
Beautiful.
butt.
And that's from a piece of paper that we ripped out of the notebook, right?
Yeah.
So that's very nice. You can easily tear pages out if you need to.
Yeah.
It's really, really nice quality, heavy stock. These make great gifts.
Yeah.
Because we were thinking about the holidays, right?
Yeah.
You guys are doing great work.
Well, I'm trying to get all the white spots.
You're going to cover all the white spots?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You guys are making me want to watercolor now. Now I want to sit down and watercolor. Thanks for doing a video with me, guys.
Okay.
They are once again all done. I just think they came out great, especially for the girls' first try, and I think they would look wonderful with a nice clear coat of resin over top of them. And these are not archival because we are using glue in them, which makes them not archival. But, you know, for just playing around with kids, I mean, they had so much fun. They have been asking me every day since we did this to do more pouring. So I really hope you guys got some good helpful tips out of this video. I especially like using those cardboard boxes to keep the paint and everything contained. So thank you once again so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Come check me out over on Instagram at Dryer Days. And until next time, everybody, keep on pouring.